Whoa, guys! Finally, we get some chicken. Whoa! Looking at that. Wow. Wow. Looking at that, guys. That. Guys, that's the chicken, y'all. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Look at that piece. That is a very beautiful piece, guys. Whoa. Wow. Well done. Wow. 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 Oh, wow. 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 Whoa. Whoa. I love them chicken, man. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Wow. That's good chicken, y'all. Wow. Guys, looking at that piece right here. That's a big piece right there. Whoa. Whoa. I love it. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Wow. I love it. Wow. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. Hmm. Hmm. Whoa. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Mm. Whoa. Who's slow, man? Yeah. That's good stuff, y'all. Mmm. 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 Wow. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Yeah. I have a lot of stuff coming out. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You're going to keep coming out. You're not going to stop, y'all. Because I do it for the Caribbean people, though. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to stop. They're going to keep going, man. I see my people, they love this kind of stuff, though. They're not going to stop. My video is not going to stop. They're going to keep going. All right, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, my people, they love this kind of stuff, though. I feel like I have enough for today, bro. I feel like it, but still gonna eat the rest, bro. I'm not gonna put nothing away. I'm gonna eat all of them. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff coming out. Probably this weekend I'm gonna do a cooking video. I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, bro. If I'm not tired, I will do it. If I'm tired, I will eat out. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. It's depending how I feel, man. It's depending on how I feel, y'all. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming out, okay? What's up, guys? I met that lady. She gave me a card, and she told me she's from somewhere in South America. I don't know what part she's from, but you know, she told me that she has a lot of good chicken up there. Yeah, I've been thinking about to go to that place. Maybe I'm going, maybe I'm not. Maybe I will save it for later because I have a lot of stuff I have to try this month, you know. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna check it out, maybe I'm not. Maybe next month, maybe after a few months from now. She gave me a card though. Yeah, she gave me a card. Maybe she was trying to give me her number. I don't know, man. Women, they always like me, bruh. And she just give me a card, man. She just give me a card. She was looking at me funny and she gave me a card. I'm like, God damn, man. Yeah. She just give me a card, but probably sometime next month I will go down and check it out. But if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and do it yourself. Skin that little barcode right here, you can go ahead and do it. See the barcode, all you have to just skin it and you can go ahead and do it yourself. Yeah, you can go down there and see what she has. And she gave me that card, man. She was very nice to me. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I bring her some customer, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, she was very nice. You know, she was looking at me. I don't know, bro. Yeah, she was looking at me like she needs something. And I told her, I'm a single man. If you need something, just holler at me. Let's go to the hotel. You know what I'm saying? She knows I'm a single man. She knows I'm single. I don't care. If she's down for it, I'm down for it. And I'm gonna be like, baby, let's do it together. We ain't gotta worry about nothing. Yeah, man. Well, man, that was a nice meal, man. I had a great time, man. Yeah, guys, like I'm saying, like, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. A lot of stuff coming out. You know, I'm gonna keep working hard for you guys. Cause I see when I go outside, I get more views. People like my video more. Let me go outside. Yeah, I feel like every time when I go out, I start talking. People love this kind of stuff. So guys, I'm here. This is Texas house right there. You see the Texas house over there? Yeah, the reason why I don't try day food, like day food look different. I need something to look nice in the plate. That's why I don't go down there to eat day food though. I need like chicken, like something can look nice on my plate. Cause you know I'm working, whatever I do, I just do it for views, you know what I'm saying? So I have to make sure that plate look nice. They have good food, man, good taste, but the plate, whatever they're gonna put in that plate, man, not gonna look nice. That's why I don't eat day food, bro. You know what I'm saying? But Texas house, let me see, yeah, Texas house. Yeah, man, they have some good food up there, but I need something to look good in my plate. Yeah. This is my neighborhood. This is where I grew up. They used to have a Walmart up there. They closed it down. Yeah, this is my neighborhood. This is where I grew up, man. I've been here for a long time. Yeah, I used to come to that bank over there. Yeah, I've been living. That's where I grew up. Yeah, I've been here for a long time though. I went to the high school up there. I went to the Hennikley High School. Yeah, man, I went to Hennikley High School. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I have a lot of stuff coming up. Just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? Yeah.